Sawah.
West side, motherfucking connection. Make no mistake about it. Your life has just been threatened.
I got King Kong in my trunk, King Kong in my doors. My nuts play ping pong from the noise. You can hear me from a block away. I'm sitting next to your ass and can't hear what you got to say. My shit is loud, my ears is ringing. My paint job is wet, my chrome is gleaming. I feel like a vet balling on these rookies. A old school bully, you must have played hooky. I bring it like a bookie, my aggression is depressing. Don't give a motherfucker time to learn this lesson. A lunatic, y'all know what I represent. The only rapper wanna fist fight the president. To all my white niggas, to all my dark niggas, I'm trying to spark niggas. I want the sharp niggas, not the mark niggas. Fuck the park niggas.
Nyangkut dah.
To all my white niggas, to all my light niggas, to all my dark niggas, I'm trying to spark niggas. I want the sharp niggas, not the mark niggas. Fuck the park niggas. I want your heart niggas. Fist fight the president.
Kenapa bonnya bonus kresek dah.
You're urban hurting, every gate and corner you're working. I'm the bottom line, the school of hard knocks turned into Columbine. Nobody move, nobody shot. Map, I'm in the body shop. Where you rub me wrong and your body drops.
Rotation, straight losing the stack. It's slimmest chances of Michael Jackson getting his black fans back. My reputation's like a Tech 9. Knock out the best in the circle. 3 minutes wreck time. See the hand is faster than the eye can chase it. Dre, be real. Soul assassins got potential buttons activated. No one looking to have to caught up in the rapture. Executive decisions from the motherfucking
To all my light niggas, to all my dark niggas, I'm trying to spark niggas. I want the sharp